Hey guys, Cam here from Language Nation. So if you're here, you definitely have something for languages. You're either in love with languages, you're learning a new language, or you are an interpreter. Uh, so I am currently learning Swahili, which is the second most spoken language in Africa. One of the reasons that drove me to learning Swahili is just that you bring all the languages together: Arabic, French, Indian, German, together is just an amazing language. And the phonetic of the language itself, that is, when you're speaking the language itself, it sounds like poems. It sounds like poems. So that's one of the reasons that drove me to learn Swahili. So question, are you learning a new language? What language are you learning right now? And why? What is your next language? I'm probably going to be learning Spanish from here because I speak a great Spanish already, but I just want